So the first question for you is why UK? Why not Australia and the other countries?
So it takes very less time as compared to other exams that going for APC and everything else.
Hello everyone and welcome to Academically, and we are right here in front of you with one of our HCPC registered candidates, Dr. Diljit. Dr. Diljit, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
All good. So the first question for you is why UK? Why not Australia and the other countries?
Ma'am, I think there is one strong reason that I can say that I choose to go for HCPC UK, that there is no exam. I can register with what I have studied here in India. So that is the reason. And also it takes very less time as compared to other exams that going for APC and everything else.
Right. So Dr. Diljit, how much time did you take to get registered to HCPC? Like how much was your scrutiny time?
I'm glad to say that it just took me 20 to 21 days to get me registered on HCPC, starting from scrutiny or putting on my application and getting the result. Like within the 15 days, I got every verification done from their side. And on the very next day, I got the mail for the registration.
Yeah, really happy to share that because I remember when you came to
Yes.
visit us in the Dehradun office and like you were ready with your IELTS score. So I think that is one of the prerequisites that before
Yes,
starting
ma'am.
with the registration, you should be ready with your IELTS at least because that's the only exam which is required for HCPC. So talking
Yes,
about IELTS, how much time did it take for you to clear your IELTS score according to HCPC?
ma'am, it just took me 1.5 months, and I was on the. I got my score, required score.
Great. And I must also tell you because we were associated with you like since the beginning, and we had a lot of discussions regarding CIF and something. There were some certain subjects which were not actually in the language which FCPC wanted. Right, some of the course papers was there, and we used to have discussions on that how will we put it up in CIF. So, according to you, which is the most important document for HCPC registration, and which could be one of the loopholes or which could lead to a bit of delay for any physiotherapist if they want to get registered with HCPC?
I would say that each and every document is equally important, but the most probably how to frame the CIF. It is very important how to frame your professional experience, like what you are doing here, how well you are managing the patients, what are the case studies. So everything needs to be well framed in order to get your registration. Since Academically team has provided me a very good support and assistance at each and every step, so that is the reason that I got my registration so fast. That I
Yeah.
am quite thankful to you and Sadaf ma'am and each and every team member of Academically that have given me the support.
Yeah, yes, Dr. Diljit. And I also must tell you that whenever I've connected with you, you are always ready with the documents and you have always obeyed. Like if I told you that it should be written in this way, you have done actually in that way. And you were a very great association with us. So
Yes,
thank you
ma'am.
so much. And congratulations, you're ready to work in UK. And definitely we are all there for you whenever you need. You have our contacts, you can connect with us. Thank you for joining at such a short notice and sharing your experiences with Team Academically. And you're always a part of our team. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.